Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Krishna, and today we are diving into something that every data analyst, product manager, or any other analyst loves, which is funnel analysis using SQL. But this isn't another boring SQL tutorial. I'll show you something that every product based company like Netflix, Google, Amazon, or any other startup use to track their user drop off spot where the loves lose money and how you can build the exact insight from the raw data. So stay with me till the end and I'll show you something really interesting apart from this. So, what is a funnel analysis? This is the first question you will ask. So, a funnel analysis track users' journey from coming your website or downloading the app till making a purchase or becoming a customer. So, I have an image for you. Let me show you. Mm, Yes. So, this is the image. You can see initially user came on the landing page. This is the number 2330. From this number only 1900 moved to the e-store. Out of this 1900, 1637 add the product to the cart. Then 643 initiated the checkout. Then there was some other information regarding that, so 600 only out of those 643 fill the form, and out of this number only this is the final number of users who completed the transaction, which matter most for any company. So every company focus on increasing this number, and the drop you are looking at it, they want to reduce it. So this is the funnel analysis, and we will learn how to do it using SQL. So we have a table, user event. It is a quite simple table and the data is very limited. So for every user, there are some event name. I mean, these indicate on which page user visited at which time. So using this data, we will do the funnel analysis. So first we have to find out the number of users who were at that particular page. So let's write the code for that. So we will create a column regarding those event pages like landing, sign up, and another column will be the number of users on those pages. So let's start. Select. I'll give landing page name, landing page as step. Okay, and I will count how many users were on that particular page, but we have to count the distinct number of an user can be visited a particular page so many times, but we just want to track unique value of those users. So first, distinct, I'll just keep it in small. Distinct. Now we will use case because we have to compare, mention the event name as well. So we will use here the case. So case when event name is landing page, landing page, then user ID. Now we have to count it. So first and here we will use count, right, as users. Now, because we have to show value as an step and the users, so for every step we have to count the users. So we will use union here. So every value will be arranged row wise, and here we will use union all because we don't do not want to exclude same users if we use just union. So if, let's say, user one was on landing page and even on sign up page, it will exclude that. So we want to keep those value, so we'll use union all. So here, union all. Then again, I'll copy this. See, just change the name here. Sign up. Sign up, I do not have to mention again this name because it will arrange that way. And here, sign up. Again, union all. And then now we have email verify. Email verify. Same here. Again, union all. Sorry. Okay. Start trial. Trial. Same here. Start trial. Trial. Again, union all. And I'll paste here, and this is last step, which is paid. Paid. So we have mentioned all the steps, and now when we will run this query, so we will get a column with the name of step and another with the user count. So let's run this. uh, I think there's a error, we have to check it. Unknown column, event name. Event name. Oh, sorry, this is landing page, not landing. I think now it will run. Hmm, what next? Landing page. Hmm, let me check. Landing page. Then this is landing page. User ID and sign up. Oh, here another mistake. See, landing page has 5 user to initially. On sign up page, only 4 moved. Email verify done by only 3 users. Trial taken by 2 users, and only 1 user paid for the subscription. So this is how the funnel analysis work. But there can be a situation when your manager, your team lead say that I'm not interested in number. I want a conversion rate from page to page. I mean, if 5 user was initially on landing page and then sign up done by only 4, that means 80% have user moved to the next page according to the landing page. And then according to then from sign up to email verify, only 3 moved. So how many percentage according to the sign up were moved ahead? So if, and in most of cases that's how we focus on the things. So if your manager, your team lead asks to do that thing, so how you gonna do that? So we have to store these things in CTE, and then we will make find out the conversion. So we save this particular thing in CTE. Let me save it. Yeah, this is the last. Okay. With user count, user count as, now we have to find out the conversion rate. So for that we have to compare with the previous value of current value with the previous value. So for that we will use the window function, that is lag. So we will use this thing for like this. Select, we have a step column, so select step and users, and now here lag function, lag on user over order by, sorry, order by case. Now case we will use again on step, because this verify the stages where the users are moving. Case step when landing page, landing page then we'll give assign a number for that. So then 1, if when sign up, when sign up, then 2, when email verify, then 3, when start trial, then 4, and when paid, then 5, and as previous user. Okay, so now we will have the current user and the previous user, and we'll use table from User count. This is the table name, right? Yeah, user count. So if I run this, let's see how the value looks like. See, from landing page, for landing page, we have the all 5 users on landing page, so there was no previous value. For sign up, to only 4 were on the sign up, but previously there were 5, right? Same for email verify. 3 were moved to email verify, or previously there were 4. So now it is quite easier to do comparison. So I will save this is in another CTE. Let me save it. I will answer conversion as now. Select step users prev user, or I don't need to keep this particular thing in output. Prev user don't need to. And now I will divide these things. So users divide by prev user, and I'll use nullify. I can use it nullify. I don't think here it will work. So nullify use where the value is null, it assigns 0. So I don't think I need to add there here. It works better in another platform. So this, as we want to keep the value in percentage, so I'll multiply by 100, and I'll round this value in 2 decimal place. So it would look better as conversion. No, conversion I gave you already. So yeah, conversion rate. Con- Conversion rate from conversion. I have already mentioned once, but I'm repeating that particular thing. If you are working on Postgre or any MySQL server or any other platform, use here 1.0 multiply, because on those platform, if you divide integer by integer, the value always comes in integer. It will ignore the float value. So you have to keep that in mind. But here in MySQL, it doesn't matter if you write this thing, it will give you the exact value. If it's in float, it will give you into float. So if I run this query now, I should get 3 columns: steps, user, and their conversion rate according to the pages. So see, for landing page there was no previous value, so it's null. But for sign up, only 4 were moved to sign up from landing. So yes, out of 4 out of 5, so 80% were moved. For the email verify, 3 out of 4, so 75%. From trial, 2 out of 3, 66.67%. And only one paid out of 2 users, so 50%. So this is a relative conversion rate. Some also prefer to first check the conversion according to the first page, like here we did that. It measure the conversion from the first page, but it also wants that if 3 users were done has done email verification, so what is the conversion rate according to the first page. So it is your task to write that query in the comment, that how you will find the conversion rate according to just first page for every step. Okay, and this is how the funnel analysis is going to be done by anyone or people used to do. I also work in a fintech company, and my initial task was to learn the funnel analysis and work on that thing. So practice it and you will find it really an interesting thing to know. And I'll bring something new in next video. Till then, keep practicing and please like and subscribe the channel. Please support me. Your support will be really helpful for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.